Hey, I'm Kevin. I just got off the Blizzard Magnum 8.1. I like the ski overall. I think it's good for an advanced intermediate to an advanced, maybe a low-level expert skier. Somebody that's skiing blues all the way up to blacks, maybe a double black. Mostly going to be a front side skier. Venture off terrain, moguls just a little bit. With the IQ binding system that makes the ski very responsive. The binding's actually laid down into the core of the ski. So it's very responsive, very stable, good edge grip. It doesn't have quite as much energy as the 8.7, so if you're a little more aggressive and you want to go a little faster, or you're a little heavier guy, I would probably jump up to the 8.7. I even like that ski a little bit better. So for me, the 8.1 gets 4 out of 5 stars.